Hi friends, welcome to Rasu Sensor channel. Please like and subscribe and share my channel. The Public Relations Department at the municipality announced that the Jagrao municipality branch has carried out field tours in Jagrao municipality and removed abandoned cars which obstruct the traffic in the area. 18 cars were taken into custody for obstructing the traffic and violations were registered against the owners. Officials informed that the field tours will continue in all areas and action will be taken against the violators. Ambassador Sri C.B. George, accompanied by senior officials of the Indian Embassy, held a virtual meeting with the officials of non-residency Kerala Affairs as part of the Ministry of External Affairs largest initiative to promote and facilitate engagement of embassies with the State of India. The meeting was led by Dr. K. Ilangovan, Principal Secretary, Government of Kerala, and attended by the senior representative of NORCA. During the interaction, Ambassador briefed about various initiatives taken by the Embassy of the welfare of the Indian community in Kuwait. The ambassador briefed about various outreach activities like open house sessions, registration drives, consular service feedback mechanisms. The recently signed memorandum of understanding on cooperation in the domain of recruitment of domestic workers, the issue faced by stranded Indian nationals and their welfare matters, business investment tools and culture promotion effort, and also on the potential for enhancing bilateral collaboration. Dr. K. Ilangovan briefed by NORCA and its vision for the welfare of the non-residents in Kerala community abroad, including the state of Kuwait. Positive discussions were held on various matters of importance to the non-residents diaspora from Kerala in Kuwait, streamlining institutional cooperation to facilitate safe, orderly, legal and ethical recruitment for manpower, including that of nurses, and on ways the means of further enhancing trade, commercial investments and cultural legal linkage so as to increase direct export from Kerala and facilitate inverse investment and inbound tourism for Kuwait. They also discussed the issue faced by students, including the possibility of holding various competitive examinations in Kuwait. The Ministry of Interior is planned to submit the proposal which ban expatriates from leaving country unless they pay traffic violence fines. According to Ultra newspaper report, Traffic Department will submit this proposal to the Ministry of Interior Sheikh Tamar Al Ali for his approval. The proposal also suggests to stop all kinds of services for Kuwaitis and experts who have traffic violences until those violations are paid and transactions are completed. According to report, large amount of fine are accumulated which are estimated in millions of dinars. There are a large number of violators either imprisoned or have died. Also, a large number of experts have left the country permanently. Traffic Department is also studying the possibility of informing the violators about their violation by sending text messages via SMS so that they are informed and know who, what type of violation and how much is the fine, so that he should pay immediately instead of letting it accumulate. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you.